What's up, guys? Running Bear Central today on the old YouTube. We're going to load this 4200 bench. It's 13.5-foot car liner. I had it on Marketplace for sale, and I had an ad that I would trade someone an Easy Liner Chief frame machine. So I have found some people local in the town, an old boss, an old friend I used to work with, that have a new place up in the mountains that they have old Chief and they want a car liner. So we're gonna do a straight up trade. I think it's gonna work really good for the best of both worlds. They're two good guys. They're really good at bodywork. They're fantastic at what they do. So they've been doing it for a long time, and I'm glad I can help with them. I have a really nice car liner. I think I have a really nice car liner here, and I think they have a really nice Chief. So, and I'm not a car liner fan, and I know a lot of car liner fans are true diehard car liner fans, but I'm a true diehard Chief fan. And so today we're gonna get this thing loaded up with the forklift. Usually I would back up to it, but today I'm gonna load it with the forklift. So I'm gonna hook a couple chains to it, just one chain actually. We're gonna hook one chain up to it. Hopefully just pick it right up. Hopefully we have no problems, and we go on from there. I know that's not how they load those things at the old carliner.com. That's how we load them here at the Running Bear Central. The thing's already got little hoops for the chain. Why not? That made it simple. Didn't have to scar up my driveway to load the thing, drag it, set it right on the side. Didn't hurt anything, didn't damage anything. I don't know what the thing, well, it weighs 700 kilograms, I think. I don't know. Kilos, I don't know how they measure this thing, but it weighs a lot. And we got it up there, we didn't hurt anything. This thing has got some wood boards over it for the chains so they don't damage the rack. All I gotta do Monday is start this wrecker, tighten that cable. We head into the mountains. We're gonna go pick us up a big 3-tower Chief. And I'm gonna have a big old video for unveiling that one too. That 3-tower Chief is a big old boy. And she'll pull what you want to pull, anything. So keep liking them, keep subscribing, and keep telling your friends. And we thank you. Have a good day.